You've got a greetings and salutations.
I'm smiling under the mask.
He's smiling, he's not smiling. Okay, just did the cabin, and by crikeys, that was a lot of work to get in there. Every little thing, and the sanding, and my fingers are sore because if you know, you sort of can't help but bang your fingers in all the little nooks and crannies. But it looks good, and we did I did the outside of the plenum as well, and around the windscreen area, the door jamb, like that. It's all good. I'll walk around to the other side. All around this here. You can't see the lights shocking, but it's getting late and I'm really tired, exhausted. I need to go and have a cup of tea and a biscuit. So, but it's looking good. So I've got to get some colour in here. Originally the ute, it had what do you call it? Saddle on the roof and everywhere else. So, and the floor was just black. It didn't actually have any colour. It had a little bit of colour down the bottom here, but I'm not even sure if that wasn't saddle. So I don't think they put any colour inside that with this particular car at all. But I think I probably might put colour in there just because I think it'll look really nice. You know, other than that, I could just paint the interior completely black, which I won't rule out yet. Whatever you guys think. Here we go. This is Josh and me. We're just panel beating this section out. We welded a plate in here and it's a bit pulled in a bit here. So we're taking this out. It's pretty good. It's a slight high spot here. So we'll work on it. Low spot there. We sort of, anyway, we're going to tinker with it, so you can come along from the right for the ride, okay? backing.
That's what real work looks like.
Oh, I've turned the car on you.
Huh?
So I've twisted the car around so you can't.
No, I was just showing my arm.
Oh.
Can't even see the tattoo.
If you want to, yeah, I'll flip this down so you can show everybody.
But they seen it on time lapse.
Oh well, I don't know. You can talk about how much you love doing it.
Hmm. It doesn't really look like it in this light because it was grey to begin with, but it's down to bare metal now.
Yeah. We I had to get the undercoat out. I forgot to weld a few things. It sort of got away from me, and like the 500 badge things, I don't like those holes, so we're welding them up. I'm tempted to weld these, but I actually got the pieces to go back on there, so it's for the tarp, and I'm doing it with a tarp. And I just don't like the ones that have the solid back on it. Don't like the look. So very soon we're going to rough this out. This is pretty straight, this panel, and so it's the back panel. The other side was the bad one, but geez, we spent a lot of time. Oops, come around the other side. We spent a lot of time panel beating that up to get it nice. I had to re-undercoat it again, so but this panel, it looks nasty through it's penciled a bit down, but it's actually got a nice curve and shape, and this is all back in again now, so this was buckled.
Get your filthy paws off it.
I don't know how I managed to miss it off. I must have just been so dedicated to the rough thing. I'll do all the panel beating later. So that's what I'm doing, panel beating later. So, yeah. So anyway, this side will come up all right. Josh and I, we painted the bottom, the sides bottom now. And so we're just doing a little bit of grinding, just trying to make sort of a little bit just there. It's just a bit of grinding. We welded them yesterday. That's nice and smooth, Josh, good. We're having to play around. There's a few bits of grinding we've missed. So that'll be it. There's a bit of grinding in there, which we just did. Put a bit of undercoat on there, just until I put I've run out of proper primer, so we just put a bit of spray can primer there until we get some proper primer.
Alright, you're going to vibe on
This is
for another 5 minutes?
It's complaining. Alright, over and out. It's really cool. Look at this. Look at that, man. She looks good. She looking good. Well, that's another week gone. So we're going to chuck out a video now so you can see what we've done. The cabin's been done. All the cabins, Josh is not showing it, but it is done. See, look.
We've seen it.
All right. Yeah. So I haven't seen much of it. The back panel's done. I know Josh really enjoyed turning this all back to metal. It was one of his fun things, especially around the back window. It was really helped a lot.
I think the cabin was the worst part.
you're doing in the cabin.
That took the longest.
And, but it's nice now, and it's good. We've been grinding lots of bits that we hadn't ground before, and it's very easy to sort of do a job and not quite complete it and move on to the next job when you're doing rust repairs, because you think, oh well, I'll do that when we do the body. And now we're doing the body, you've got all these little tiny jobs to do, so it takes so long. Hence, you know, you really would think the progress would be more, but at least from my end.
Really?
So anyway, there was one other thing about the seat supports that I'll mention to you. We're not sure if we're going to put bucket seats or bench seat in it. I've got this bucket seat support bracket, but I'm not sure that you can put a bench seat in over the top of it, is my point. So that's why I haven't welded it in. So if anybody knows if you can put a bucket seat support bracket in and still have a bench seat over the top of it, let me know. And there's that bracket there, and there's another bracket here for a console. So I don't know what I do about console if it's bucket seats. So I'm not sure where I'm going with the interior yet. So, and other than that, it's pretty good. I've started on the other side. You'll probably see a little bit of footage of that. I haven't finished it yet because I'm out of this and I don't want to go berserk putting any more body filler in without actually being able to seal it. It's very hot and humid here at the moment. So that's about it, Josh. Anything else?
No.
That's it. We've got our doors and guards lying around everywhere. I don't know what to do with them.
We'll put them back on the car.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe again.